Agreed, breaking it down. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a simple yet versatile phrase in the English language. Agreed. By the end of this video, you'll understand its various uses and meanings, and how to incorporate it into your daily conversations. Let's get started. Agreed is primarily used as the past tense of the verb agree. However, in everyday conversation, it's often employed as a standalone phrase to express agreement or consent. For example, A. The weather is lovely today. B. Agreed. In this context, B is using agreed to express that they concur with A's statement. 1. Asking for agreement. Sometimes, agreed can be used as a question, where one is seeking affirmation or concurrence from others. 2. Example, we should start the meeting at 10 a.m. Agreed? 3. Formal settings. In more formal settings, such as contracts or meetings, agreed can indicate a finalized decision or understanding between parties. 4. Example, the terms of this contract are acceptable to both parties. Agreed. 5. Alternative uses. There are several phrases and idioms that can be used interchangeably with agreed, such as 6. That's true. 7. I concur. 8. You're right. 9. I'm on the same page. Even though we aren't diving deep into phonetics today, remember to stress the second syllable when saying agreed. It rolls off the tongue smoother and ensures you're understood in conversations. Agreed is a versatile and handy phrase to have in your English toolkit. Whether you're nodding along in a casual chat or finalizing a formal decision, it's a concise way to express concurrence. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of its usage. Stay curious, and keep learning.